So, we will be racing flyer. I think that's Tito Junjun na. Oh, he's there. Oh. No, not yet pala. That's the neighbors.
No flyer.
So, the auntie and flyer will race them.
Auntie, not when the flyer. Flyer went back home before in the last video. I can feel the cuckoo card, flyer shot.
So, ano sila, Zain? Cardona Rizal.
Wait, they both got red eyes.
Yeah. I guess there's...
Now?
So, no. Let's just wait for Tito Junjun and then I'll bring them to the race.
But where to put?
Where's the cage ba?
I don't know.
I think that's Tito Junjun na.
So guys, we flied them, but we went in the bedroom.
So guys,
We got
tomorrow,
a
samahan nyo kami.
because from the Roblox game.
So guys, tomorrow abangan natin si Flyer and si Auntie
Papa.
from Cardona Rizal. So guys, tomorrow,
I'll hit this on my head, that one.
so guys, see you tomorrow. Samahan nyo kami magabang. Okay? And don't forget to hit the subscribe button
Yeah,
and the
it's
like.
right up here, down here.
Click the link below.
Yeah, and
Comment below. What's that on the top?
up below.
Up below. So guys, see you again mamaya.
The next day.
So guys, 7:40. Abangan lang natin si Flyer tsaka si Auntie. And then maglilinis din ako. Makalat dito sa taas. Update ko kayo kung makakawi si Flyer sa kanyang second toss. Cardona Rizal. Linis muna ako.
A few moments later.
So guys, time check. 8 oras na. 8:13 dumating si Auntie. Pero si Flyer wala pa. So antay-antay pa tayo onte para kay Flyer. Since medyo malayo yon. Expected ko na medyo malilate siya. Oh. Di pa ako tapos magwalis. Pumasok ka dun. Iinom pa yan sa labas. Di pa ako nagpapakain eh. So, maglilinis muna ulit.
Just then.
What's up guys? Flyer's back! Sing, Flyer's back! So, what time siya dumating? It's 8:51. So, second toss niya. Bakit mukhang hindi pagod? Mukhang... Wow! Kami. Ay. So, kukuha lang tayong pagkain niya guys. Para pumasok siya sa loob. Masanay siya na after bitaw, sa loob ang kain. Pinakapabaw ko doon ah. Gutom ka na? Kuha lang tayo pagkain mo. And para makapagpahinga ka na. Yung auntie, lipad pa rin ng lipad. So, sa ano na ulit ang bitaw niya? Lunes. Dahil bukas, yung tatay naman niya ang iloload natin ng Santa Ana. Santa Ana. Isabela. So guys, paanoin lang muna natin siya. Pakainin. Babalik tayo kay flyer. At ano, naglinis na ako. Tapos na yung bagyo. So pwede na maglinis. Patuyuin lang natin na konti.
What's up, zztvids? Today's video is flyer come back and the auntie I saw already.
Yeah. She's hungry. So guys, sinabihan ko na si Zain.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no.
Na, nandyan na yung pigeon. Oh, come on, bilis. Hurry up at I'll clean the ano ba? Bottom part.
I just looked up.
Bottom part.
Oh.
Nasamig ko yan ako
Except for you.
So,
Wait, who is that?
no, that's not him. Find your favorite pigeon. He's back. I'll show you how far he fly later. But first, we give them food. So,
The fly look like a different one.
hmm,
When you go like this, he look like a different one.
he's hungry na. Let's give him food.
Come on, you wait.
Oh, hold mo tong pagkain niya.
His eyes is red, almost. What happened? Broken?
Oh, feed mo si Flyer onti. Where's their feeder ba? Akin na yan.
Oh, I forgot there's no food. Oh, I forgot there's no food. I have to step on this?
Yeah, that's okay.
Because why?
So, put some.
Yeah, guys, when you have a cocoa, you can put it in a cocoa house.
Put it inside para pumasok yung ano,
No.
yun, si auntie.
No.
Mabilis, Flyer is hungry now. Hindi natin pwedeng erase si auntie eh. That one. Hindi natin pwede erase kasi he's so bagal pumasok. Oo. Give the papa.
Open the gate.
No, it's open na. Bilis, give mo.
Papa! I put inside.
Ay, lumabas ka. Ikaw, inuubos mo eh. Oh. So, good job. Flyer and auntie. Mga 3 toss pa. Medyo sanay na sila sa
I forgot the baby.
south.
Flyer baby.
Oh, Flyer baby. And this is,
No,
ano,
it's
auntie pala.
Flyer too. This one.
Flyer 2.
I can see his eyes. When you look at so far, it look like the eyes is red. Oh. Oh, but that's a spicy. This is a spicy bean. But what's this? A spicy bean?
Mhm.
Oh.
Help him.
That's not how
Go
he
here kasi
flies.
sa taas.
Papa, his eyes are not even red, so he don't know how to fly. Papa, he don't know how to fly, or he do.
You do.
But why don't see his eyes is red?
Oh, where's jet 2? Remember? We have jet and then jet. I can see her. So guys, bigyan natin silang vitamins and water.
I will picture it later when this is done. Papa, when this is done, that mean?
Mean what?
Papa, you can hold it, please. I'm Dr. Zain, remember? Remember, I'm Dr. Zain. Hold it and then give me the medicine. So guys, remember in the last video, my name is Dr. Zain.
Yeah.
So I'm doing it too, baby. Fly it too.
Auntie and... Where's Auntie? Oh, she's up there.
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 Oh, that's a good hiding spot. Ow. Too hot, too hot. It will, I'll let it burn. Burn, let it burn.
Let me get flyer first.
Let it burn. Shorty, shimmy, shorty, shimmy, shimmy.
Oh, why you sit on the floor?
I just fall on the floor. I
Oh,
can
give him.
change later.
Give him Yeah, you can change short na lang. Oh. Eat it. You need help pa ba?
Now go.
Maybe we should bring the tripod eh. I'll help you na lang. We post the video muna ha.
Look! You see this red thing? What is it?
That's the medicine, di ba?
What is this red one? This red dot. You see this red dot? What is it?
The medicine. So guys, we're going down na. Kasi we will let the floor dry a little eh. Still wants food? Give him some
Eat my hand. Eat my hand. Get the feeder.
No, not the feeder na.
Just doing the trick.
Yeah. Flyer. Call him.
Flyer! Flyer! Go cook food! Go cook food here.
No, you can't. Oh, she don't want. Put it back na lang.
No, we wanted food.
So let's go down. Kasi mainit na sing.
He's going down.
Let Flyer rest muna. And then we'll check back to him later, ha? Come on. I'll show you how far Flyer flew today. I'll show you the map, the Google map. Come on. Ba't This is our house. And then Flyer went all the way here. This is Loladori's house. Then go here. Super far. Super far.
Do you want to Lola
Super
Dory
far.
house?
Super far. into Lola's office. And then he went on to this watershed. And then he goes beyond the watershed. See? Super far. Then he went to this place, Marikina. And here. See? Then he went to another lake until he got to Cardona Rizal.
And then he went back home.
Yeah, he fly all the way from our place to this one.
That's our place.
Yeah. See? It's super far. Super far. That's where Flyer went.